The people them a get sour, so it's like then hear this a song and then sometime you see because just typical Jamaican, some of them love a badness. That's why you see Masicka could have strive until today. Because he not really sing a be a gangster song. And true people gravitate to them something there. And that's why I'm survive now. But all of the songs them most of them are the same thing. But what? It not create no impact or nothing. It not create no leverage we can say, yo, Masicka him do it. That's why you see when you pull up a one show, the crowd just dead. Because him song them sound the same. And that's why the people them not real when him go party. The song them sound the same, it no drop no impact. Especially remember say woman nothing woman enough. See? Woman nothing at the party them, you know. So if you not have the woman them, you not have nobody. Cause man them only go party for see the woman them and look woman. So him no really have no woman, so him no versatile. So when you go to the party now, it should be a gangster and girl and just stand up so. Cause 70% of the party have woman, 30% a man. So when you sing a gangster song, you're mostly gangster. As in sing a little 10 out of 10, that not impactful. In a no woman song where impactful where we make a girl mad over him. Masicka walk on stage, the girl and does a, they not even want to touch him. You understand? That's how I think said. But you don't know enough people. Big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Just like one whole attack. I think Nick soon go live. You see it? Yeah, man, I think Nick soon go live. But people, now watch what them are saying now. Because soon after this, you know, you see them Gaza fan them, you know. And them see one of the start cussing artists. Just watch. I tell you, because then the Gaza fan no loyal, you know. They're not loyal at all. See all the vlogger them and the Gaza vlogger them are war because everybody a fight for one spot. When them could not use the whole team, you know. But through them are loyal and greedy. One man want everything. One man want all of the support of them. Then greedy. They no love share. That's why you see war always. Then artists performed last night. And the whole of them a fight over cookie in the morning. For sure, it's nothing no go on with the show. You understand? Nothing no go on with the show. Let me tell you what show them are going to talk about. Them are going to talk about Sunfest and talk about. Because remember, you know, Sunfest I got fresh for cartel, you know. So you know already. Them are going to talk about that already. Nothing wrong with that. And them are talk about the UK show. Any place where you see or whatever event him never do, them are going to prep that up and way. Then to talk about a little show them when doing in the Caribbean or so. You know, you have Trinidad that come up. They don't really focus on them, they show because they want the Lily. I only big one them then focus on. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, they don't know, you know. Big up on yourself. Those people, remember, subscribe. You see it? Yeah, man. You don't know. Respect for the likes and everything. You see me? But just I come out to give some little advice and make some guy you know say, brother, I just full no time, you know. You see me? Everybody have them time. But I feel like so I always have this a moment, you know. You see it? I feel like I always have that moment and I say it work. But look about the big artists out there bigger than him. Them not even all the time you have moment. That's how you think go. Cause soon after this when they show them now really do again. Now go really night talk. Two shows are going on, you know. And you get a big arena. You don't know people are gonna talk about that. But when you not to get no shows, that's how you think go. You see me? But big up the people let me know. Yeah man, you don't know. Big up on yourself. I'm out.